Alright, Marcus, go.
Well, part of the mother, I'm going to send you some money.
Like she would send me somebody.
Wow. Tell her grandpa I ran out.
Can you call her?
Nope.
I'll have to call her.
I got a phone, I'll give it to you.
How about this?
Who you running like, Marcus? Marcus, who are you running like?
Chris,
Naya.
I got a bunch of candy.
Sounds just like you. Wow, that's a...
Look in here.
Yeah, that's a lot of bubble gum.
Yeah. Okay. What's up?
Where'd you get all this bubble gum?
Grandpa bought it.
He bought it for you.
It was like a giant bag. We finished 10 already. Yep, we stuck 3 in our mouth.
That's awful.
Yeah, not to get me in trouble. I'll tell Grandma I bought her a big bag of gum. And I can yell at you by getting the gum. Grandma bad grandpa if I don't buy it. Then you get me in trouble. You just told, you tell everybody that I bought it for you. That's what be your name.
Whoa. Oh boy.
Not yet, you can even go.
I got the swing.
Okay, you take turns.
I hate it when she gets in my way. Why is it when you get in my way? See how I feel now?
Did somebody just call my name?
I don't know. I heard you about to call.
Marcus, what are you crying about? Nope, nobody called my name. No, you did, but they're just not out there.
He doesn't want the gum. Why? He don't want the gum. Nice. He don't want it.
He does. He doesn't. He does. Most of the time. I hate it when you get in my way.
I told you if I find gum all over the place here, who I'm going to come looking for?